Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please feel free to check out some of my older videos, and I do appreciate the time that you guys are here to share with me. And today we're going to do a shave video. So first thing, let's get our face wet. Well, guess what, guys? Will It Shave Wednesday, and today we're going to shave with the razor that I danced around but didn't want to tell you anything about on the last video. I'm a little bit, I don't know what to say, but it's going to come in this nice little box. It's made by Tatara, and it's got a little magnetic flap. I have shaved with this several times. And this is their adjustable razor, and it is called Muramasa, whatever it is. I don't speak the language. So I have tried this razor. Man, it looks really great. It's an adjustable razor, excuse me, and it's got a different approach. So as you rotate this knob here, this solid bar will actually go in or out. And at the end of the video, I will take it apart and show you a little bit how it works. So to load the blade, you're going to take the bottom part of the handle and unscrew it. And I'm going to just set it down. And so the top cap comes off. I don't know if I can actually get it on camera or not. You can see. So right now this is setting 1. So this the solid bar is going to be all the way out, and then the more aggressive you want it, it's going to go in. Kind of hard to see it, but I'm going to be using the Gillette silver blue blade. I've tried several blades out on this, and they've all been a no-go for me. This razor does have some nice little touches, you know, like the razor emblem there, and then the top cap just has the regular bar, but it's pretty neat. So you're just going to slide that in there, place the top cap on, and then the handle, I know you didn't see it, sorry. It just screws on and locks into place. I'm going to see if I can get it to focus on 4. And the reason I'm picking 4 is because it comes with a little sheet or a little booklet, and it tells you that on number 4 is going to be 0.8 millimeter. I don't know if you can hear that. I'll be right back. The dehumidifier kicked on. So right there it's showing 0.4 millimeter, and then it gives you the blade exposure. And I haven't checked any of these measurements, but you know, I like an aggressive razor, and settings 1 through 3 for me honestly just takes the soap off, and I can't get it to shave. 4 and 5, not a very comfortable shave. I thought, well, it could be a blade, so I tried a new blade. No go. I tried a couple different blades, all my favorites, and the Gillette Silver Blue actually did the best, but still was not a very good performer. And so I'm very disappointed. You know, last Wednesday when we had this $1 razor, I hate to tell you, I mean, right now, I would say this would be way better than the price spent on the razor that I'm going to shave with today. And I just don't want to mislead anybody. And I want to, you know, just be honest and say, hey, this razor isn't for me. If you want to venture out and spend your money on it and get it, it may work for you. And it might be the best razor you've ever had. Or you could be like me, and I don't even want to tell you. If you've looked this razor up, you know it's very expensive. It's the most expensive razor I have. And for this price tag, I mean, even a $25 razor, I expect it to shave and to do what it's supposed to do. I've emailed the company and talked to them several times, and I mean, they've been pretty nice about it, but long story short, I'm gonna have to send this in. They're gonna look at it and see if there's something wrong with it. Maybe there's something in there that I can't see, and you know, if there's some kind of defect, they'll send me another one. But to be honest, with the experience I've had with it, I don't want another one. So that's your video. If you want to see the shave, stay tuned. If you don't, just don't even watch from here on out. So I've done ran my mouth long enough that my face is already dry, so I'm gonna add a little bit more water. Like I said, if this is your first time joining me on my channel, this may not be the right video for you to watch. The shave soap that I'm going to be using is the Phoenix Artisan Accoutrement Atomic Age Bay Rum, and the name says it all. It's definitely a bay rum scent. There's what the soap looks like, and I was trying to do you a favor by getting everything lathered up and ready to go. That way we're not wasting time. But anyway, I was running my mouth using the Simpson T2 brush in the stainless steel bowl. I'm going to go ahead and apply the lather, and I was trying to catch this for on one of the sites I belong to is the Phoenix group, and it's all enthusiasts on there, and they're always talking about Bay Rum Wednesday. So this is going to be my first time to be able to post that in there, because I always get carried away with other stuff, and just kind of hard to plan your shaves. Right away, the smell it's pretty strong. I do like the smell. That's what you got. So I do have the blade loaded up. Like I said, I've tried the Nasset. I've tried, hopefully, my battery. On my phone, it's saying problem 10%. Hopefully I'll make it through. Something's wrong. My charger is not charging. But anyway, I've tried the Nasset. I've tried the Gillette Silver Blue, the Feather, the Gillette Super Thins, and I can't even think of what else I use. But anyway, here we go. To me, I don't understand. I'm pretty mechanically inclined, and I know that you're supposed to have a 30-degree angle, but also when you look at each individual razor, the angle that comes, you know, right through here is a little bit different. And I don't know if it has to do with that, or maybe this bar. I can't understand how, if the bar comes out or in, it's going to change the blade gap. I'll check that out at some point and see. But as far as the razor in the hand, it feels really nice. There's not knurling, but these little dimples in here, I do like how that they kind of line up in that spiral twist, and it gives you a lot of grip. What's your opinion? If you spend $5, $100, $400 on a razor, does your expectations go up or down or the same? Like I said, everybody has a certain budget. And I don't know, just with my military experience, sometimes you hear people say, hey, it's better than nothing, but why set the bar at nothing? I mean, it should be better than adequate, because everybody wants to at least have it work, right? And so, and you're talking about a $400 razor, it better kick that $1 razor's ass. That's my opinion. Sorry, but that's just how I feel. and there's no satisfaction here for me. I just really wish that, you know, like I said, maybe I don't think any company sets out to fool their customers. I don't think anybody really is trying to put out a bad razor or blade. And so I'm trying to give them the opportunity to make it right, you know, to get me that razor that really does perform like it's supposed to. And in the last video, I was trying to touch base on basically saying that I purchase everything that's shown in here. I'm not sponsored by anybody, of course. You know, I'm not a big shave channel. So, you know, if somebody loans a razor or sends me something, you know, that's a subscriber or a friend, I let everybody know. And I want to give an honest feedback, because I know you guys have probably seen it, that there's some YouTubers out there that you never see a bad product on their channel. They love everything. And I want to be credible with you guys. And then that way, you know, I'm not going to lead you astray. Now it's quiet time. This thing is definitely not going to cut you. All right, I'm going to do, let's just see how it's done. For me, it's an uncomfortable feel. I've had straight razors that are not real comfortable, but nothing that feels quite like that. I mean, even on 5, it's just to the point where, I don't know, it kind of gives you that feeling of just a tugging or a super blade feel that you can't get away from. And I'm just kind of baffled at why it would do that. I mean, it did take the hair down, but I can think of better ways. You know, the Game Changer, I don't know what the current price is now. $60, $49, somewhere around there. That walks all over that razor. And this one is a stainless steel razor as well. But I don't know. I'm truly disappointed, and quite frankly, kind of ashamed of myself for getting that razor. So, and I couldn't sell it to someone on one of the swap groups because I would feel awful. That's just me. So we're going to do the ice cube here, and just so that I don't get my shirt all wet. I do like that ice. Very nice. I'm glad to see you guys here. I hope your Wednesday goes great. And of course, using the black sheep towel. Excellent, excellent. And we do have the matching splash. I always put my finger over the restrictor on the older bottles. Just give it a little go there. Oh yeah, that Bay Rum. Nice. Let me put the cap back on that one, because I'm going to be knocking some stuff around here in a little bit. And of course, we have to follow that up with the unscented star jelly. Anybody notice the raccoon eyes? Been outside working a lot, and the temperature's coming up. It's been really nice and sunny the last week or so, and so I'm not going to take my sunglasses off at work just so I can have tan eyelids. My wife always tells me, man, come around, I don't know, August or so, it gets pretty noticeable. Well, should I show you the let's just do the soap there. That is the CK1 version of the soap, and here's what we got left in the brush. It's always fun to play with the lather a little bit. All right, now I got my hands all gooey. I appreciate you guys sticking with me, and well, I've kind of been up here whining and crying about the razor. I do apologize, but like I said, it's something I wanted to share with you guys, and if at some point I do get this corrected with the razor, I will let you know, because that's why I'm here, to share my shave experience with you. All right, so you've already seen the top cap and the handle, so there's no reason to show you that. It comes with this little key. It's got an indentation on it, and then you're going to have to hold both pieces, and if you can see in there, there's a little slot, and you just line that up and twist it until the two pieces come apart. And like I said, this is kind of a different design. This is it. So whenever you go to twist this, those two little pegs turn, and then it will rotate in the bottom of this and cause the plates to slide outward. And so you're supposed to be able to take this apart and clean it in case you get stuff gummed up in there. And it does have a little bit of assembly lube in there from the way I can feel it. But like I said, for me, on all the other adjustable razors, this part, the blade tray, will actually move up and down to give you your aggressiveness versus the space on the bar, the safety bar. And so with this, if you can see, there's a given space there, but just because the plate moves out, it's not showing very well, but just because that plate comes out, I don't see how there's a difference in the space. But that's my shave for the day. I appreciate you guys watching. Hit the subscribe button if you like. If you didn't like the video, give it a thumbs down. Hey, sometimes we make great videos and sometimes we don't. But like I said, I did want to share the experience with you guys. Sorry for the long video. You guys have a good one. I'll see you on Sunday.